It's me, Tim. Today we're going on a magical musical adventure. Look at these stairs. Each step makes a different sound. Let's climb the stairs and meet our new friends, musical notes. Are you ready? Let's go.
I am duo, big and strong, like a door that swings open. Sing my name, nice and slow. Come on, let's go. I'm Ree, I love to play, like a bunny bounced. Sing my name, high and free. Come on, sing with me. I'm I shine so bright, like a mirror that catches the light. Run, sing my name, come on, give it a go. I'm Faye, the wind's so cool, like a fan that loves to spin. Sing my name, loud and far, come on, you're a star. I'm so like golden rays, shine bright on happy days. Sing my name, sing it boldly, come on, so I'm in Los Angeles, I love to sing like a bird with golden wings. Sing my name, loud and high, come on, let's try. I'm Ty, I whistle clearly, like a kettle boiling next to me. Sing my name sharp and precise, come on, let's do it again.
You did a great job today. Now every time you hear music, you'll remember the magical staircase of sound. We'll have another fun adventure next time. Then don't forget to watch our next episode. Goodbye.